Gutchess Lumber is a premium producer of 10 species of northern hardwoods, ranging from red and white oak to cherry, ash, and hard maple. Headquartered in Cortland, New York, with 5 mills in Pennsylvania and New York, Gutchess is a name that's been known and trusted for quality hardwoods for over 100 years.
My great-grandfather started this Gutchess Lumber Company with 4 helpers. Today, my son, Matthew, has over 400 employee shareholders. We have employees who are 3rd generation working at Gutchess Lumber.
There's sufficient time there for multiple generations of people to become experts in their jobs and pass down the skills to the following generations. As an ESOP company, our employees have a direct share in the success of our company. Each one of them takes pride in what they do.
You feel that ownership, and the employees are proud of what we do.
We win or we lose together.
With Gutchess Lumber, it all starts in the forest, where their highly knowledgeable team of foresters responsibly select mature trees that yield the best quality.
Customers have an expectation of Gutchess Lumber, of quality lumber, and the only way you're going to get quality lumber is if you have quality logs, which means quality trees.
Quality control starts right in the woods and goes right through the process all the way through stack down.
That's my job, to make sure we get all the quality wood that we can into our facility and do it in a science-based forestry or a sustainable forestry method.
When you say be sure it's Gutchess, you've got to be sure that you're producing the best quality product. To be able to say that, obviously you have to be buying the best timber, you have to be running the best equipment, you have to have the best people producing the product, and that's what we do.
Gutchess brand's all about quality control.
We've got very strict quality control processes, and every step of the way.
We actually implemented 6 Sigma practices in all of our operations to ensure that quality control.
We own our own sawmills. We produce all of our own wood. We don't buy any material from an outside source that doesn't go through our kiln drying process.
We take care of the logs before they get into the sawmill. We water them. We cut the logs to a strict specification. Our sawmills run at a very high quality standard. We're always looking at the performance of the operators to make sure that they're on task every day.
At Gutchess Lumber, every piece of lumber is inspected twice, when it's green and again after it's been kiln dried.
The audits are done timely, and Matt Gutchess reviews the quality control weekly with us.
The lumber comes out of the sawmill and it's dried the same way every time. We have specific schedules for drying every item that we produce. And then it comes out and it's graded the same way and packaged the same way.
If you look behind us here, every pack on the yard, stickers are in line, 3x4s are in line. We just make sure that the processes are complete from start to finish. There's no shortcuts taken here. We make sure that we end wax and burlap all of our product to make sure that there's not any degrade anywhere in the system.
Just the level of professionalism with the people, just the sense of pride that everybody has in their work. It's just exciting to be part of that kind of team. Consistency is really the name of the game. You know, customers want consistency.
If they're ordering a specific item, they want it to be the same in August as it was in July, as it was in June.
They know what to expect. They know when they order from us what they're going to get.
We've been around for a good long time, over 40 years. My dad's been in the hardwood business even before that. We pretty much know what to look for. Quality matters. You know, we can have the best milling in the world, but if the wood that you're putting into that molder is not absolutely the best, you're only going to get a substandard product. So we went searching for the best quality hardwood we could find, and we found it at Gutchess Lumber right here in Cortland.
We are a global supplier. We supply all over the world.
We've worked very closely with a freight forwarder, so we basically take care of everything from the first step till it arrives. We pride ourselves in establishing and maintaining long-term business relationships with companies.
You don't do that without a level of trust and integrity that people can depend on.
We say that we have the best product in the market, but at the end of the day, we want our customers to say that.
We put our name on every pack. We put our name on every pack because we're proud of what we do here.
We have to be sure every pack You know, whether it's 12-quarter hard maple facing better or 4-quarter red oak 3 common, that's our name on that pack.
Our product is something that we stand behind every day, and we always have for 111 years, and we always will.
Service, selection, expertise, quality. That's why we say, be sure it's Gutchess.